Welcome back to the channel. This is Kavin here from Tech Pass, and today in this video we're gonna see about some WhatsApp tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna see is how to pass the status. Most of us will do one method to do this thing is that we just click the option menu in the status, which doesn't sound good. So check this out. The next one is for those who uploads a lot of statuses in a day. For example, if one of your friends wants a particular status from among a bunch of statuses, then this trick is for you. Check this out. Coming up next is if you want to send a particular chat of a person from the scratch, here is an easy trick which allows you to share the whole message as a text file, which is cool, right? Are you irritated when someone adds you in a group without your permission? There is an easy way to stop this. Head over to settings, hit account, go to privacy. There you will find the tab called group. There you can change it. When you record something with your native WhatsApp recorder and don't know whether it is good or bad, here is an easy way to cross check it. Let's see how to do that. This is going to be in the most wanted list. First of all, this trick doesn't need any third-party apps. The question is how to download WhatsApp statuses. Here is the answer for it. Check it out.